Septic tank not breaking down waste? Bacteria might be the problem. If your septic system is slow, smells bad, or keeps backing up, you may have a septic tank not breaking down waste bacteria issue. Many homeowners do not realize that septic tanks depend on healthy bacteria to break down solid waste naturally. When those bacteria become weak or die, the entire system can struggle to work properly. A septic tank needs good bacteria to digest waste, grease, and organic materials. Without enough bacteria, sludge builds up faster and may clog pipes or damage the drain field. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Signs of a septic tank bacteria problem. Here are some common warning signs: slow drains in sinks and toilets, bad odors around the tank or yard, gurgling sounds in pipes, standing water near the drain field, frequent septic backups. These problems often point to a septic tank not breaking down waste bacteria issue that should be addressed quickly. What causes the bacteria to die? Several everyday habits can harm septic tank bacteria. 1. Using too much bleach. Strong cleaners and bleach can kill helpful bacteria inside the tank. 2. Flushing non-biodegradable items, wipes, paper towels, grease, and hygiene products do not break down easily. 3. Excessive water use. Too much water can dilute the bacteria and reduce their effectiveness. 4. Antibiotics and harsh chemicals. Some medications and chemical drain cleaners can weaken bacterial activity. How to fix the problem? You can improve septic tank performance by restoring healthy bacteria levels. 1. Use septic-safe cleaning products. 2. Avoid flushing harmful materials. 3. Reduce water waste in the home. 4. Add a quality septic tank bacterial treatment. 5. Schedule regular septic inspections. Bacterial septic treatments help break down waste naturally and keep the system balanced. A septic tank not breaking down waste bacteria issue can lead to serious plumbing and septic problems if ignored. Healthy bacteria are essential for breaking down waste and preventing sludge buildup. With proper care, septic-safe habits, and regular maintenance, your septic system can continue working efficiently for many years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.